Why, sweet as squeezed.
Why squeeze buckle cane? Sweet as squeezed.
Squeeze qoyachen. Ha tilst we kakul.
Lut that Chelsea kakwal. Chilstens to hit. Ha chilst to hit.
Luta tilst nest hit. Tilst ne kakul. Ha ana khamik de kakul.
Geen gemengd de kakwal.
Quint.
Lem. Han gemengd te hit.
Ena khamik des hit. Ku huitzel. Ku kukslach.
Kookst.
Why nenu is that weekend?
Why neno is dat weekend?
Why has khalkhalti pisnak siluch? Talikin lemt kinskits or pachiyap. Squeeze qoyachen or Knxcutens in silk Knx. Hello, good day, my relatives. I'm grateful to be here, and I'm glad y'all showed up today too. This is the help tutorial for N1. Mai opings et Knx s'echen asil. Today's lesson will be food. Lesson 11. So let's get started. Hohoy, go and chow chint. Lipali. Simpatalau. Ha simpatalau a tsilstu. Kakwalch. Ke kakwalch a tsilsten. Stchitku. Lot a tsilsten is stchitku. Lochlach. Ha tsilstu e lochlach. Tqaim. Ke tsilsten e tqaim. Knxcutens. Luta tsilsten e Knxcutens. Sklokum. Ha tsilstu e sklokum. Skakaka. Ke tsilsten e skakaka. Apples. Luta tsilsten e apples. Tali khastes chkulam pepes nak silkhotapna chhoiwe atsent e splimchen. Lipali. Sinpatalau. Ha tsilstu e sinpatalau. Kakwalch. Ke tsilsten e kakwalch. Stchitku. Lot a tsilsten e stchitku. Lochlach. Ha tsilstu e lochlach. Tqaim. Ke tsilsten e tqaim. Knxcutens. Lot a tsilsten e Knxcutens. Sklokum. Ha tsilstu e sklokum. Skakaka. Ke tsilsten e skakaka. Apples. Lot a tsilsten e apples. Oh, I hastish chkulam pepesnak silhorlapana pixkenehitam kukwina chinapana. I'm going to help you guys out with this lesson a little bit. It's getting a little bit more complicated, but I don't want anyone to get scared. Lutax and hail. This is the root word ithlin, but it's linguistically called the customary C. And it goes tsilsten. Tsilsten is I customarily eat it or I'm eating it. If you are doing it, tsilstu. The means anui. The sten, the N is in cha. Tsilsten, tsilstu. Use your hand gestures when you say these sounds and these words, and you'll get it. Why limlim te pesnaxiluch tali limlim tos ninowes at wicklamin. Why? He.